Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Russell with Clever Tech Solutions, and I wanted to give you an introduction to some upcoming videos where I'm going to try to highlight the power of VBA macros within Microsoft Office applications. In my line of work, a lot of times I end up coming across individuals needing something proprietary that they're trying to do within Excel, Word, or one of the Microsoft solutions. And because it's unique to their own business, there isn't, they don't, a lot of times don't know if there's what to compare it to, if there's anybody out there that can do what it is they're wanting to achieve, or if it's even possible. And because a lot of times the projects that I have worked on are sort of, like I said, proprietary, a lot of times the people don't want to share their code, so I don't really have anything to advertise as far as my side of the business. So I was going to create a little project on my own, put it on YouTube, and let you guys see the power of VBA macros and what we're capable of doing within macros. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Zillow API, which is a real estate website, and I'm going to make some HTTP requests to the Zillow servers. They're going to return back some data in the form of an XML, and we're going to manipulate that data within Excel. Through Excel, we will actually do our searching or searching for the property. So we'll create a form within Excel, and then it might be that we'll, using the VBA editor, we'll format that or parse that XML, display it on Excel worksheets, possibly create some charts based off that Excel. There's a lot, that data, and there's a lot we can do within Excel. But I wanted to extend this because you can actually get all your Microsoft Office applications to talk if you need them to. In other words, if you have a long, well, this doesn't have to be a long, but you have a sort of specific function or process that your business requires, and you would like to automate that using all the different Office applications, you can do that. So let's just suppose I'm a real estate agent. I think ultimately what I'm going to do is find a spreadsheet or some information, a CSV file somewhere where taxes are coming up on a certain tax deed sales, tax certificate sales. They happen all over the United States. And let's suppose I'm one of those people who goes out and I invest in these things, so I buy property taxes. So of course I want to see the property, I want to know a little bit about it. So we'll manipulate that data. We'll try to create a scenario around that idea. We'll make some calls to the Zillow website, return back some data, manipulate it through Excel, and let's just suppose I want to schedule a viewing. I want to email a client. I want to email a coworker or someone beneath me that, hey, here's a property that's coming open. Here's the information on it. I'm sending it through email. Here's a map. Here's a picture. That kind of thing. Can I do that? Well, yeah, you can do a lot of it through the click of a button, and you can do it through Excel as well. So we could tell Excel to tell Outlook to schedule through the VBA to in our little schedule application that is in Outlook, to schedule a meeting or schedule something, an appointment, send out an email. We'll see how far we can go with it. And then another thing is very common, and that is making presentations. So we'll use some of this presentations in PowerPoint. So it might be that some of the charts that we can create in Excel, we'd like to export to PowerPoint and just create a kind of like a pre-canned PowerPoint presentation that I would use if I were showing this at a business meeting, or if I were actual real estate agent, selling property to clients, that kind of thing. And let's just to have fun with it, let's just suppose I do find a piece of property. I want to create a flyer. Well, we can send that same information to Word, and create something like a template, or based off of a template we can create a flyer, and to maybe hand out, or to just for the sake of doing it in this situation where we're getting all of these different applications to talk to one another. So should turn out to be pretty informative, pretty interesting. One last thing I did want to say is that Zillow does have a disclaimer. They do not really want people to use their API to store local store their data on their local computer. In other words, they really want you to use their data to display on the web. I'm not going to be storing any of their information on my local computer. I have no really reason to doing that. I'm just using their API for the purpose of advertising my business and to show people the power of VBA and the macros that you can create within Excel. Well, actually, all the Office applications. And I'm just using the real estate as a an area of business some people work in. And but what I'm going to do, you could actually do for anything. So if you have any similar needs, or you see something that's interesting to you, or you're wanting to, you know, automate some type of function, proprietary function that you just can't get within Excel, or you need all these programs to talk and you're wondering how can I do it, keep me in mind. You can email me through YouTube, or you can email me through my website, and just check me out for the upcoming videos. We're going to get started here shortly. Thanks for watching.